friends, welcome back to my channel Harchi Creations. In this video I would like to describe a super easy knitting stitch pattern. Friends, it is a reversible rib stitch knitting pattern. You can see from the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like the same. So it is identical on both sides. Friends, it is a 2 rows repeat knitting pattern, and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 3 plus 1 extra stitch. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, please also share my video with your friends in your groups. Thank you. So friends, before starting the pattern, I will explain its measurement of size, length and width. I have shared its detailed explanation on my screen. You can see here. On average, scarf measures 5 to 8 inches wide with the length of 40 to 70 inches. This is very much an average, so don't take it as gospel truth. We will get into more details of the different sizes so that you can determine the length according to your project. Now we will discuss about the length of a scarf. For adult, a scarf typically ranges between 40 to 70 inches. However, some may go longer than this. For example, a super long scarf may be between 90 to 120 inches. Now, these are the typical lengths, but how can you figure out the best length for you? Some knitters use ways to customize scarf length is by using arm span or height. You can simply measure the arm span or the height of the person you are making the scarf for and use the exact measurement for that. So you can see in this picture about how we can measure the length of a scarf by height or by using a arm span. So friends, here are some typical lengths according to the age. Like for a child aged between 4 to 5 years, the length of the scarf should be 35 to 40 inches. For a child aged between 6 to 10 years, the length of the scarf should be 50 to 60 inches. For women, it will be 45 to 70 inches. And for men, the length of the scarf should be 60 to 80 inches. So now we will talk about the width of a scarf. How wide should a scarf be? The width of a scarf generally depends upon the style and the person you are making it for. Men's scarves are typically the most straightforward, ranging from 5 to 7 inches in width, with 6 inch being the most common. Then there's women's scarf, which usually vary a lot more. A woman's scarf can range from 4 inch all the way up to 10 inches or more. A scarf that is 4 inch wide would be considered a skinny scarf. 5 to 7 inches would be the range you want for a typical warm, medium, thick scarf. We will discuss about the width of a scarf. If you are making a custom scarf for yourself or a friend, there are few ways you can determine the perfect width. The first way is to measure the palm of your hand from the top of your middle finger to your wrist. And the second way is to spread out your fingers and measure the span from your thumb to your pinky. Each of these are a helpful indication of how wide your scarf should be. Now you can see how to measure the width of a scarf from the pictures. So friends, here are some typical width of a scarf. For a child aged from 4 to 5 years, the width of a scarf should be 3 to 5 inches. For women, the width of a scarf should be 5 to 6 inches. For infinity scarf, the width should be 8 to 11 inches, and for men's, the width of a scarf should be 5 to 7 inches. So friends, I hope this explanation will help you. Now we will start the pattern of a scarf. Friends, I have cast on 25 stitches on my needle, 24 multiple of 3 plus 1 extra stitch. So let's start the first row of the pattern. First row, right side, slip 1 stitch, knit twice, then knit 1 stitch. After these 2 stitches, our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn in front, purl 1 stitch, yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is purl 1 stitch, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. One more repeat, purl 1 stitch, knit 2 stitches. So friends, in this way we will complete our first row by applying the pattern purl 1, knit 2. In this way we will complete our first row. At the last I have a stitch, so yarn in back, knit the edge stitch. Second row of the pattern, wrong side, purl 1 stitch, yarn in back, knit 2 stitches. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row. Friends, second row also like a first row, but there is a twist. We start here a pattern from purl 1, knit 2. In first row, in starting we knit 2 stitches. After that we started the pattern purl 1, knit 2. So repeat this pattern in the whole row, purl 1 stitch, knit 2 stitches, purl 1 stitch, knit 2 stitches. So let's complete this row by repeating the pattern purl 1, knit 2. At the last I have a stitch, so yarn in front, purl the last head stitch. So friends, we will repeat our 2 rows for the desired length of the pattern. I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting.